In front of me is DOOGEE S98, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all, just open your phone gallery, that would be the first method, and then our secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got device information, so just take a look. Here you've got IMEI, and at the bottom of the list you've got a serial number. Tap on OK to exit this panel, but also you can reach both numbers, like IMEI and serial number, via settings. So reach the settings at first, go to About Phone and click on Status. And here you've got both IMEI numbers. And then if you wish to check your serial number, also just tap on Model and Serial Number, and here you've got it displayed. So that would be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.